spots next to me were empty. Imagine my surprise seeing this when I wake up. Kind of freaked me out. I was like, whoa, a car? There are some places where I don't really like overstaying my welcome in the morning, and this is one of them. So, I'm gonna go to Walmart to finish getting ready for the day. In case you're new here, hi, I'm Julia, and I've been living in my minivan pretty much full-time since mid-October. Since leaving home in New Jersey, I have visited 8 states. I'm currently in Florida, escaping the cold winter weather up north. My goal with van life is to hit all US states and national parks over the next few years, so be sure to subscribe if you'd like to follow along. Okay, back to the video. All ready for the day. So normally when I film over the course of a few days, but today I am trying something a little different. I am only filming today, a sort of day in the life, van life edition. We'll see how that goes, how I like it. So I'm currently in Fort Myers, where I'll be spending, the next couple of days. But we're not hanging out here today. Today I'm going to Sanibel and Captiva Islands. They're known for having really nice beaches. I know it was just raining a few hours ago, but it has stopped. It's a nice 70-degree day. It's just been cloudy like crazy here in Florida, so that is awesome. But I'm not letting that stop me from going to the beach. It's warm and it's not raining, so we're going. I guess I'm not the only one who thought today would be a great day to come to the islands. So I just arrived at Bowman's Beach, and as you can see here, it is $5 an hour to park, which is pretty steep. So I'm only hanging out for 3 hours, so it comes out to $15. If I'm up for it, I'll actually go swimming, and I'm actually bringing a real book this time instead of my laptop. Some quick info about Sanibel. One, it's really known for shelling. One of my friends from college grew up coming here in the summers, and yeah, she loves finding shells, and it's one of the things I remember her telling me about Sanibel. Another thing is that Sanibel was hit by a hurricane really badly a year or two ago now, and it is still kind of rebuilding from that. You can see lots of construction going on. A lot of the cars coming into the island were construction trucks. Ah, do you see the dolphins? Come up again. There, hey. It started raining. It's a late drizzle though. I think it'll stop. I'll see. The rain is really letting up and I feel gross. So I'm gonna go hang out in the minivan for a bit. Great news, while I was hanging out in the minivan, just reading, the sun came out. Now I'm headed over to Captiva Island, and that's where I'm gonna spend another few hours and watch the sunset, which I think should be nicer now that the sun is out. Yay! If you thought $15 for 3 hours is insane, parking here at Captiva Beach is $25 for 2 hours or $40 for the whole day. I'm just paying for 2 hours. I'm gonna watch the sunset and leave basically, but yeah, that is some expensive parking. So that is all for the islands. Everything's getting pink. I'm gonna head back to Fort Myers. Not going to sleep just yet. I actually want to go to... This is gorgeous. Hold on. actually want to go to Panera right now because I just want to charge up some things, my laptop, my phone, and then my portable battery, so I don't have to do it tomorrow. And then I can just chill tomorrow and not have to worry about that. I'm also going because I just want to drink something that's not water, and thanks to Unlimited Zips, I can do that for free. I'm also hungry, so I'm gonna see if there's like some sort of deal on foods. Like last time I was there, it was like 50% off sandwiches, so we'll see. Crossing my fingers for that because, yeah, it'll be a nice little dinner. I am all full and I am very, very tired. The gym is closing soon, so I'm not working out or showering today. I'll just go tomorrow morning. So I'm just coming straight to my sleep spot. And then I lock my doors. Few things while I put my window covers up. So I and many other people online seem to have this idea that van life in Florida is pretty frowned upon. Honestly, I haven't had many issues so far, and I've been pretty comfortable doing van life in the state. I see a lot of other van lifers and RVers on a day-to-day basis, so I don't know, I feel pretty comfortable. But it is pretty evident that, you know, there's sort of a crackdown on people parking overnight in spots. So there are like lots of lots where I see no overnight parking. I've been in Florida for almost 3 weeks now. 2 of those weeks I've been parking in just whatever lots. I haven't gotten a knock, so it's been working pretty well. One other thing, normally I would go to a Walmart or the gym to brush my teeth before heading to bed, but I'm just too tired to drive any further and everything's closing now. If I'm brushing my teeth in the minivan, I use my Taylor Swift cup to like spit in and like, you know, rinse off my toothbrush. And then the next morning I just go to Walmart or whatever, dump this out, clean it, and that's it. Very uncomplicated, if you were wondering how that works. Also, since I put up that minivan realities video, a lot of people were not like upset with me, but were like, girl, get a toilet, get something. This is my toilet in the middle of the night. It's great because it's huge. I can pee in here like up to 3 times. In the morning I bring it into whatever bathroom, dump it out, dry it, and then I use my water vinegar like cleaning thing to spray and clean it up, and it stays pretty clean. No odor, nothing. I hope that's helpful to people. Also, this container, this was where I had like all these bungee cords in, like it all came in this thing. And that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye!